How do I count the total number of words of all files in a directory and its subdirectories? I am thinking I can do this with WC somehow, if there was a recursive option, but I am not sure. I want a grand total of the total number of words in the files under a directory and its subdirectories, not just a per file word count. Note I am performing this with my Mac. Okay, I just tried this command. The resulting output file has 642,5104 lines, indicating that many files. But the total word count in the end was only 381609. Did perhaps the grand total of words counted exceed the maximum allowed in Bash? I'm not sure if that happened or if I used WC incorrectly.
If your WC has the file 0 from option, you can do this. Explanation. I found this solution by first reading the WC1 man page to see what options were available for scanning multiple files. I found this. From using find before, I knew that it could generate the desired list of files, and with the print 0 option, output the files as a list of null terminated names. Putting that together resulted in the command above. The find command searches the current directory, and all subdirectories for regular files, type F, and prints their full path names to standard output, each name followed by a null character instead of the usual new line, print 0. That result is piped into the standard input of WC, which read that list from the specified file 0 from smiley face, where means the standard input, and prints the number of words, W, found in each file followed by the total of all words found. If all you are interested in is the grand total, you could append this to the command above.
Using find to find all files, then concatenating them with cat and counting the words in the concatenated stream with WC. The issue with your command is the WC will be called multiple times on batches of files if you have many thousands of files to process. In the command above, cat will be called multiple times on batches of files, but all output is sent to a single invocation of WC.
Try. Where sum is the noc/goc/awk program file given by the 2 lines below that executes for every line output from the command on the left side of the pipe symbol, i.e. Note, permissions of files matter, so it is possible to get permission denied output. Otherwise, all files owned by the user issuing the above find command piped into the noc, or goc, or awk command should give the output you are seeking, less any files for which the user does not have read permission.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.